Imagine cruising the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean on a magnificent private yacht, complete with sun decks, gourmet dining, and personalized crew ready to cater to your every whim. These floating palaces offer lavish amenities from infinity pools to helipads for quick helicopter hops to nearby islands. Transitioning from the yacht, picture soaring above stunning landscapes in a plush helicopter with panoramic views, all while sipping on champagne. Each flight is an experience, as top-of-the-line models like the Airbus H130 ensure comfort and style. Together, these luxury options redefine travel, embodying exclusivity and sophistication. Indulging in such experiences is not just a trip, it's a lifestyle, revealing a world of prestige and elegance that is simply unmatched.